In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate email from Rackspace to Google Workspace using the admin console. To get started, sign in to your Google Workspace admin console and open the main menu. From there, go into the account section and then select Data Migration. This is the area where Google Workspace lets you bring data from another service into user accounts. And in this case, we're focusing specifically on email. Before you continue, it's a good idea to make sure you have your Rackspace connection details ready, along with the mailbox credentials you plan to use so the setup goes smoothly. Once you're on the data migration page, click Set Up Data Migration. Google will then ask what type of data you want to move. Choose Email. This tells Google Workspace that you want to import mailbox content such as messages, and depending on the source and configuration, potentially folder structure as well. Selecting the correct data type here is important because it ensures the migration tool uses the right settings for the transfer. Next, look for the Migration Source drop-down menu. Here, you'll choose either Rackspace or IMAP, depending on what options are available in your admin console and how your current mail system is configured. If Rackspace appears as a dedicated source option, that can make the setup more direct. If not, choosing IMAP is a common alternative, since Rackspace mailboxes can typically be accessed using IMAP connection settings. After that, enter the Rackspace connection settings and the user credentials needed for the migration. Be careful when entering this information, because even a small typo in the server details, username, or password can cause the connection test or migration to fail. Make sure the credentials belong to the mailbox you want to copy, and double check that IMAP access is enabled on the source account if required. This step is where accuracy matters most, since the migration can only begin once Google Workspace successfully connects